Implants in the dental field are a prominent choice for repairing missing teeth. However, some people are concerned regarding their safety. Are dental implants safe? In this clip, we'll look at the risks of dental implants and also discuss common questions and concerns. What are dental implants? Dental implants are synthetic tooth roots surgically implanted in the jawbone for support of dental implants that are replaced. They are composed out of titanium, and biocompatible substance that bonds with the jawbone, providing an extremely solid base for tooth replacement. Dental implants are used to substitute one tooth, several teeth, and even a complete dental arch. Are dental implants safe? Dental implants have been utilized for many years and have a very high rate of success. Based on the American Academy of Implant Dentistry, the rate of success for dental implants ranges from 98 to 97–100%. This implies that the majority of patients that receive dental implants do not experience any complications and are pleased by the outcome. One of the main reasons the dental implant is considered to be safe is that they are biocompatible. That means they're accepted by our bodies and do not trigger any undesirable reactions. In addition, dental implants have been created to mirror the form of natural teeth. This assists in maintaining durability and long-term stability. What are the potential risks with dental implant? Implants for dental purposes are generally secured, as is any surgery. They are not without risk. A few of the potential risks associated with implant-related infections include injuries to nearby teeth or implants, nerve damage, as well as implant failure. These risks, however, are not common and may be reduced by selecting a skilled and knowledgeable implant dentist. It's crucial to know that certain conditions can raise the chance of problems associated with dental implants. They include drinking alcohol, diabetes, uncontrolled gum disease, diabetes, and specific medical conditions and medications. When you undergo the procedure of dental implants, your dentist will examine your dental health and medical information to determine if you are an appropriate patient for implants. How do you ensure implant safety? For the sake of ensuring the safety for dental implants, you must choose an experienced and reliable implant dentist. Choose a dentist who is board certified and who has extensive education and expertise with implant dental. Also, your dentist must employ high-quality material and follow strict sterilization guidelines to limit the possibility of getting in infections. If you are considering having dental implants, ensure that you discuss any questions or concerns you have with the dentist. They'll give you complete information on the procedure, possible hazards, and the expected results. You should also comply with your dentist's postoperative guidelines attentively to facilitate good healing and minimize risks of problems. Dental implants are an extremely safe and reliable option to replace missing teeth. They have a high chance of success and few risks. They can offer the long-term advantages to the health of your mouth and overall the quality of your living. When you select a skilled implant dentist and taking care of postoperative treatments, you'll be able to take advantage of the many benefits from dental implants in complete confidence. If you are worried concerning the safety implant, make sure to talk with your doctor prior to receiving the procedure.